Got this Beetle here. They're notorious for crap door handles and door panels. So this panel is coming apart everywhere. Zip ties on cars are like stitches. When you got to put stitches in it, you zip tie it. So that was zip tied there and there from the panel pulling here. It broke all this. You can see, I don't know if the camera lets you see it, the cracks in the plastic. And so this is all cracked up. Anyways, put a bolt through there, zip tie the cover there, and put another bolt. I don't know if you can see. Another bolt with a spacer on the back of it. I can't get my finger in there and show you. There's a spacer on the back of that so that it doesn't sit all the way up against it. And then you actually have room to stick your hand in, because if you put a regular bolt without the spacer, it pushes it too far up against there, and then there's no room to stick your hand in the handle. And now you can easily pull on it as hard as you want to, and it ain't coming off. That's nice and bolted down. So the other thing was the glove box was messed up, and I added a little something extra here. You just unwind this. And then you can open the glove box. And the spring in there was stretched out, so I put another spring in there. I wanted it to be tighter, but I couldn't get it any tighter because that in itself was hard to get to hook. There's not enough room for you to hook it, to get your hand in there and hook it. So that's as tight as I can get it. So that's why I decided to add this. And that's all that is. Oh, I had it better a second ago. Okay, and that kind of stays up like that now because of that. Now this will stay up even without this, but we'll leave this here anyways, just because it makes it a little tighter, and that's what she had here. So these Beetles are known for shitty interiors. Headliner on them sags. I had to thumbtack it all the way across the back. Headliner sags, door panels fall apart. These door panels are real expensive too, man. Such a crappy little car. They got some expensive door panels. So this one was busted up too. This one had to be stitched right there. It was coming apart there. And then I took the cover off, put a bolt through the bottom. And then over here I had to get real creative and put a bracket bolted here because there was no top piece to grab to here. And then I don't know if the camera will show. This is actually the other end of the bracket. It's like a radiator support bracket. And I got the bracket zip tied through the inside, and then put the cover on. And then this zip tie just holds the exterior cover on. It's not holding the handle. If that's all that was holding it, it would be weak. This zip tie, don't be confused, it only holds this plastic cover because the little clips up here are broken. But this is screwed into there, so you can be as mean as you want to this and grab it and slam the door as hard as you want, and it is not gonna come. It is not gonna come off. I'm tugging on it pretty hard and pretty strong guy. That thing ain't coming off. Ain't no girl ripping that off, that's for sure. So that's nice and tight. And yeah, that's about it for the cosmetic stuff. Messed around with the AC, put the correct O-rings in it. I'll show you these. These are the green O-rings, and you can see where they got pinched wrong and it was leaking AC through there. So anyways, we got the correct ones. The purple ones. That's what these European Audi, Volkswagen stuff like to use. Rapid seal. 26767. It's about a $20 little bag of seals, but makes a difference. It's just like these almost fit, but they're off by a little bit. It's a measurement thing, and it causes them to be pinched and not grab right. So we got the right ones on there. Hopefully now it's just a matter of getting the AC system recharged and go from there. So I'm done messing around with the little Beetle for right now. There's nothing else I can do to it until they get me some parts. They're supposed to be bringing me a control arm, a lower control arm for the driver's side, recharge the AC, top off the oil, and that's it. Anyways, don't want to make the video too long. I'm gonna go call it a night in the garage and go do some work inside in my room. I gotta sand. Anyways, peace.